Brought to you by the cordless specialists. A single power head drives multiple attachments, making this a very handy tool to have around. Simply select the attachment you need and get to work. With less noise, no fuss and no fumes, Ego Power Plus multi-tool is kinder to your hands, ears and the environment. This is all thanks to Ego's patented Arc Lithium 56-volt technology. The Arc Lithium battery powers the multi-tool's high-efficiency rear-mounted motor, driving each of the compatible attachments. Lightweight and balanced, the multi-tool is safe and comfortable to handle on jobs big or small. The simple, secure coupling makes it quick and easy to switch tools. The pole saw attachment lets you tackle the highest branches with ease. With the Arc Lithium battery ensuring impressive runtime, you can be sure of superior performance, cut after cut. The powerful and precise hedge trimmer attachment with dual action blades will soon have hedges cut down to size. And the laser cut diamond ground blades give the superior cutting performance you want. Plus, the simple angle adjustment makes trimming tops easy. Overgrown gardens and lawns will no longer be a problem with the multi-tools brush cutter and line trimmer attachments. Set the adjustable loop handle, press the variable speed trigger and watch the brush cutter's reversible three-sided blade in action. The large cutting width makes short work of grass and weeds, clearing large areas quickly. Then attach the line trimmer. It's packed with features including a rapid reload bump feed head to save you time and help you work safely, quickly and efficiently. For neater and tidier lawns, use the edger attachment. Simple to set up, it has a quick depth adjustment and handy guide. With our innovative Arc Lithium 56-volt battery supplying all the power you need, this tool makes achieving a perfect edge easy and gives you all the runtime required to edge even the largest lawns. Discover the powerful, versatile Ego Power Plus multi-tool, part of the revolutionary Ego Power Plus cordless system. With the same powerful Arc Lithium 56-volt battery, fits every tool in the Ego range. With the power you need to tackle any task, click in the battery and you're ready to go. The Ego Power Plus multi-tool. One single power head, 5 powerful tools. Discover petrol matching power from the cordless specialists. Ego, power beyond belief.